We are at the farm. I see a frog, and beside the frog is a fork. What do you think is our mystery letter for today? It's the letter F. That's right. Good job, kids. Syllables. This is a candy. How many syllables is in the word candy? Let's count. One, two. Good job. This is a pumpkin. How many syllables is in the word pumpkin? One, two. Good job. Which is more and which is less? The orange pumpkins on the right is more. Let's count. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 orange pumpkins. Good job. And the pink pumpkins on the left is less. That's right. Let's count. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. There are 7 pink pumpkins. Good job. Lesson more. The pink pumpkins on the left is less than the orange pumpkins on the right. Good job, kids. Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. Good job. Types of vehicles. This is a train, and you see a train on land. This one is a bus. Where do you see a bus? You see it on land. This one is a car. That's right. You see a car on land. Good job. Next is a ship. A ship is in the water. I know you know this one. An airplane. You see it in the air. That's right. Good job. The solar system. Sun, moon, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. What is the color of the pumpkins? Its color orange. Good job. Now, let's count the pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pumpkins. Good job. I see bananas. The bananas are color yellow. Can you help me count the bananas? Let's count how many bananas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bananas. Good job counting. Is a age, age, age. What's the sort of age? Huh, huh, huh. That's the sort of age. This is an I. What's the sort of I? E, E, E. That's the sound of I. This is a J, J, J. What's the sound of J? J, J, J. That's the sound of J. This is a K, K, K. What's the sound of K? K, K, K. That's the sound of K. This is a L, L, L. What's the sound of L? L, L, L. That's the sound of L. This is a M, M, M. What's the sound of M? M, M, M. That's the sound of M. This is a N, N, N. What's the sound of N? N, N, N. That's the sound of N. 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. The 5 vowels. This is letter A. Letter A. Apple. This is letter E. Letter E. Egg. This is letter I. Letter I. Insect. This is letter O. Letter O. Ostrich. This is letter U. Letter U. Umbrella. Good job, kids! The alphabet song. This is on A. What's the sound of A? Ah. That's the sound of A. This is a B. What's the sound of B? B. That's the sound of B. This is a C. What's the sound of C? K. That's the sound of C. This is a D. What's the sound of D? D. That's the sound of D. This is an E. What's the sound of E? A. That's the sound of E. This is a F. What's the sound of F? F. That's the sound of F. This is a G. What's the sound of G? G. That's the sound of G. The man is eating noodles. The noodles is hot. Beside the man is a girl eating an ice cream. The ice cream is cold. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Hot and cold are opposites? We are at the farm. I see a hen. There is also a chick coming in. The hen is big while the chick is small. Big, small, big, small. Big and small are opposites. A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Egg. F. Fingers. G. Gift. H. Horse. I. Igloo. J. Jacket. K. Kangaroo. L. Lamp. M. Monkey. N. Nest. O. Octopus. P. Pencil. Q. Queen. R. Rabbit. S. Sun. T. Turtle. U. Umbrella. V. Violin. W. Whale. X. X-ray. Y. Yarn. Z. Zebra. Let's play the ABC game by Teacher Mommy Chris. What is that? What do you see? A blue bucket. Let's see what's inside the blue bucket. Let's go! What letter is that? That is letter A. Ant starts with letter A. Apple also starts with letter A. Pick the objects that starts with letter A. Anchor, arm, axe are the correct answers. They all start with letter A. Well done, kids! Next, what letter is that? That is letter B. Bird starts with letter B. Ball also starts with letter B. Now, what is the sound of letter B? B, B, B. That is the sound of letter B. A, B. On to the next one. What letter is that? Well, that is letter C. Cake starts with letter C. Cat also starts with letter C. Now, put a star on the object that starts with letter C. Camera is the correct answer. So the star goes to camera. Well done, kids. Now, what letter is that? That is letter D. Dog starts with letter D. Dice also starts with letter D. Where is letter D? Is that letter D? No, that is letter C. Is that letter D? No, that is letter B. Is that letter D? No, that is letter A. Is that letter D? Yes, that is letter D. Good job, kids. C. D. Colors by Teacher Mommy Chris. Let's learn the colors. Yellow. What is that? Can you identify the fruit? Those are bananas. You're right. And bananas are color yellow. Blue. How about that one? Can you identify the animal? Yes, that is a bird. Correct. And the bird is color blue. Red. Can you identify the fruit? What is it? An apple. You're right. Very good. An apple is color red. Our lesson for today is about shapes. The lady is eating a bar of chocolate. What is the shape of the yummy chocolate bar? It is rectangle. Do you like chocolates? I like it too. Chocolates are so yummy. The kids are passing the ball. Now, what is the shape of the ball? It is circle. It is fun to play basketball. That is a red dice. What is the shape of the red dice? It is a square. Now, kids, can you name this object? It is a traffic cone. And a traffic cone is in a triangle shape. Very good, kids. A. Alligator. B. Ball. C. Car. D. Drum. E. Elephant. F. Fingers. G. Goat. H. Hat. I. Ice cream. J. Juice. K. Kitten. L. Light bulb. M. Money. N. Numbers. O. Olive oil. P. Penguin. Q. Quilt. R. Ribbon. S. Sail. T. Tongue. U. Umbrella. V. Vase. W. Window. X. Xylophone. Y. Yo-yo. Z. Zipper. Welcome to Teacher Mommy Chris channel. Let's learn the alphabet letters. Let's go. This is letter A. Apple starts with letter A. Letter B. Ball. This is letter C. Cat starts with letter C. Letter D. Dog. This is letter E. E, egg. Letter F. Face starts with letter F. Letter G. Grass starts with letter G. This is letter H. House starts with letter H. This is letter I. Ink starts with letter I. Letter J. Jam starts with letter J. This is letter K. Kite starts with letter K. This is letter L. Lion starts with letter L. Letter M. Monkey. Monkey starts with letter M. This is letter N. Nose starts with letter N. Letter O. Ostrich starts with letter O. This is letter P. Pencil starts with letter P. This is letter Q. Queen starts with letter Q. Letter R. Rabbit starts with letter R. Rabbit. This is letter S. Snow starts with letter S. This is letter T. Turtle starts with letter T. Turtle. This is letter U. Umbrella starts with letter U. This is letter V. Vase starts with letter V. Letter W. Whale starts with W. Letter X. X-ray starts with letter X. Letter Y. Yarn starts with Y. Yarn. Letter Z. Zebra starts with letter Z. Good job, kids!